Okay, now we are at our ninth lecture. We will be pulling material data plus plant data, and we're using table MAKT. Let's first study what is MAKT. Seven. Anyways, until it opens, okay, it has opened. MAKT display. And what are the fields? This is material description with material number, key description, uppercase. Matness, Pras, MAKTX, MAKTG. Okay. Next is VVRP. VVRP is another table we'll be working on, and we will be pulling only some data. Okay. That is billing document, item data. Okay. Not file. Posner, no, we don't want this. Anyways, I just wanted to see some fields and locate some. But anyways, these are the fields that we will be pulling for our programs. Okay, we have billing item, billing document. Let's go over to our program. So from MAKT, we'll be pulling Matness, Pras, MAKTX, which is description. This is language. This is material number. Okay, this is material number. Pras is language, and this is material description. Okay. Okay, end of TY mat. Now, on the basis of TY mat structure, we'll make an internal table and a work area for parameters will capture material number from this field, which will be of type material number. Select material numbers prospectus from MAKT to table ITMAC, where matna is equal to P matna. Okay, loop at ITMACT. Loop, start a loop in internal table and load all what is in ITMAC into this and write MAKT matner and MAKTX, that is description and number and loop. Okay. We have another TY mact again. Let's okay. TY mark. This is another table. From that we are pulling matner, plant data. Okay. ITMAC type standard table of TY mact. TY mact. Okay, we don't want this also. TY mact, and TY mact has a work area. Mark has internal table and work area parameters, and we are getting MAKT and MARC. Loop at IT mark into. So we're running a loop internal table to load work area and read the table into internal table into work area with key material number. Okay, and write material number, and we are combining two tables, MAKT, MARC. Okay, let's check. ITMAC is unknown. Okay. IT MAC is unknown. Okay. Okay, PMAT now already defined. Okay, right. So we are playing with three tables: mark, MAKT, and MAKT mark right now. Fine, two tables. Okay, activate. LAP9FG. Okay, it is pulling the details, but we want more details. Okay, so we'll say chassis. Okay, chassis 16-wheel truck drive 2022 is the make. Okay, so this code is basically working. Okay, we actually defined loops from the tables. Now let's go into the next part of our discussion. Okay, and the next is basically the table T001W display. Okay, in this we have plants and branches, plant name. These are the fields, works D, name one. Okay, we will pulling this data. Now, what is the data that we want to pull? Now, this is the data we are going to pull. Okay. Okay. Now, this is the data. Let me highlight it. Okay. Now, from IT mark, we are pulling what? Material number, material plus plant. Okay. And material plus description. Okay. This is material. This is a description. This is material description. And plant description, which is location of the plant. Okay. So this is material plus material description. Okay. This is we are going to use IT mark, IT MACT, and T01W. Okay. And of course, the other areas that we'll be pulling the data from is from the plant again. What plant are we going to use? This is the format that we are going to produce in our code. Okay. Okay. Now let's do one thing. Okay, internal tables underscore two, create ZT67 internal tables 06 make. Begin of TY Mac, same TY mark, and IT Mac is Standard table IT mark is standard table of mark parameters P matna, select matna from MAKT, select matna works from MARC into IT mark. Okay, and then when we actually pull from the table into internal table, then we run a loop. Okay, then we run a loop. Once IT mark is populated, when it is filled, then we offload IT mark into work area. Okay. Okay. We also need the third table, which is okay, T01W. And we will also add this code. Okay. Okay. IT mark T01W. So we have structure of each table MAKT, MARC, T01, and we have the data variables based on these structures of MAKT, MARC, T01W. I hope you're getting the point. Okay. Now, select single works from T01 into work area, where works equals mark works. Now we are combining and using another table mark and using the field table to pull data on the basis of mark. We are instructing T01 to offload your records of plant and description into work area, and then write material number from mark, material description from MAKT, and plant from MARC, and name one from T01W. We are not closing this select because this is single. When we use single, we don't need to close this select block. Okay. So we actually don't use loop in a select statement. Select works name from T01 into IT table, which is internal table, into T01W. Read table, internal table, into work area. Now we have actually also used work area over here, where work area T01. Read table IT into work area T01 with key plant is equal to mark of plant from the mark work area. Okay. So we are combining T01 and mark into the read function to pull data from both the tables. Okay. Okay. Select Matna works from T0 into table for all entries in IT mark where works equals IT mark works. Okay. Let's first execute this. unknown column name MAKTX. MAKTX. X. Check. MAKTX. Okay. Activate. P Matner. Execute. Okay. 04 test one finished goods. RAM 8. Okay. Now RAM 8 was location or the plant. Let's see. Select Matner works from T01 into IT for all entries in IT mark where works, which is plant equals IT mark works. So works of mark. So works and works from mark and T01W will actually collaborate together. Loop add IT mark into WMR, which is load all the data into work area, select single works name from T01 into WA where works equals works of the mark table. Append work area to IT. Once you are done, once the records are selected and loaded into the work area, it will append it back to IT table and synchronize the mark table. Okay. It's easy, but you just have to follow the logic basically. Okay. If IT mark is not initial, which is means it is filled, select works name from T01 into table. Internal table T01W for all entries in IT mark where works is equal to it has to load the plant data and the name of the plant from T01 into internal table for all entries in mark table. Okay. So it will load anything from T01 based on the mark table where plant is basically matching the plant of internal table of MARC. Okay. Okay. Next is select Matner works from MARD into table IT mark and not MARD. MARD into table IT mark. Sort IT mark by work. So sort the mark table which has plant data based on plant details. Okay, in TY mark, we have to enter algort type algort D. This is one of the fields. Okay, I know this is a long code, but of course, select matter works algort from MAR C into table IT mark where matter is equal to P Matner. Okay. Okay, at parameters, we enter this part at line selection, start of selection, after loop block, loop, loop block at IT mark, input WA mark. Start of selection. Two bit IT mark into WA mark where works equals mark works, and mark algort and loop. Okay, let's check this. Okay, unknown column name Matner. 86. Matner works on P01. Unknown column name algort. 103 algort. Okay. Check. Let's check whether this table has algort or not. MARC. Algort. What is algort? MARC. Unknown column name Matner. One zero six. And loop. 107. Okay, the loop is ending here, and if select sort, okay, loop is ending here. Okay, this is the loop that is missing. End loop. Matner Algot. Algot and Matner are making some issues over here. Okay, Matner type Matner works, name, IT Mac, mark, TY mark, 01W, parameters, Matner. Line selection, startup selection, loop. Okay, works, Algot, Algot, mark, mark, Algot B. And loop at IT mark into, and loop, select from make it into table IT, select from mark into IT table, and select P01 into P01, and then write. Okay, PMATNA works and system language. Okay, loop, IT mark, read table with PMATNA, MATNA, and works. Okay, check. Unknown column name Matner in 80 and 98. 80. Okay, okay. Matner is not in T01W. Okay, let's see. Okay. Okay. Activate. Let's run it. Let's see how it works. Direct processing. Come on. It's chassis execute. Chassis 16 right truck. It's not pulling the plant data. Anyways,